How can I improve my English myself? Improvement in English within 6 months is very much possible, provided one is determined and has a strategic direction. With regular practice and the proper methods, one can easily work on reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. Here go some tips to help you learn English more quickly. First, establish concrete objectives. You have to know exactly what you want, whether you aim at improving vocabulary, grammar, or speaking fluency. Having specific clear goals will guide your learning and keep you motivated. For instance, every day try learning 10 new words or practice speaking for 15 minutes. Second, read regularly. Reading books, articles, or news in English will help you learn new words and understand sentence structure. Choose materials that match your level and gradually go to more difficult ones. Highlight the words you don't know and look them up to widen your vocabulary. Practice writing. Try to write in a journal something each day about your thoughts or experiences. That way, grammar will improve, along with the clear expression of ideas. Also, it's possible to write emails, essays, or any social media posts in English and just do practice. Fourth, listen to English every day. Watch movies, TV series, or YouTube videos in English and read the subtitles. Listen to podcasts or songs to get used to the rhythm and enunciation. Repeat with your mouth what you hear and practice speaking fluently. Fifth, speak as much as possible. Practice with friends, language exchange partners, or even yourself, out loud, in front of a mirror. You can also join online communities or participate in video calls with others. In short, the improvement of English within 6 months involves constant effort and diverse activities. Setting aims, reading, writing, listening, and speaking daily, you can achieve great results. Never lose your concentration, be patient, and enjoy your way to language perfection. How can I be better every day? The path of improvement each day is actually one that requires continuous striving with optimism. Small changes in one's daily life bring great modification after some time. Following are some very workable ways to grow and improve every day. First, set daily goals. Well-defined goals provide direction and motivation. Enumerate the things you want to do or achieve each day in a to-do list. Focus yourself on an achievable objective, such as doing 30 minutes of exercise, reading 2 pages of your book, or accomplishing some work or school task. This will fuel confidence and keep you going. Practice self-reflection. Every day, after work, take a few minutes to think over what was good and what should be changed. Such reflection shall help you learn from your mistakes and celebrate small victories. All that is a good way to be more mindful and monitor your progress. Third, take care of yourself. Nourish your body and mind with good food, exercise, and rest. Even small things you might do, such as simply drinking more water or meditating just 5 minutes, will make a huge difference in how you will feel. A healthy body and mind greatly improve performance in every aspect of life. Fourth, be open to learning. Reading, listening to podcasts, or even trying new activities outside of your comfort zone is very beneficial. Learning something new each day opens up your outlook and keeps your mind active. It gives you a sense of accomplishment. In closing, making yourself better daily borders on setting goals, reflection of activities, taking care of oneself, and curiosity. Those slight yet consistent steps can mean a difference in continuous growth and a happier, fuller life. Focusing on the improvements within you day by day, with time you will turn out to be the best among yourself. How do I refresh my mind? In our busy life, it is very important to take a short break to freshen up the mind. This 5-minute break can help in renewing your mind to reduce stress and enhance focus. Here are some of the basic things you can do for 5-minute mind refreshing. First, try deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing helps to relax and calm the mind and the body. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and breathe slowly and deeply. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. Repeat this process a few times. This practice reduces stress and freshens up your mind. Take a brisk walk outside when possible. The fresh air and the movement will increase blood flow to the brain, so you will feel more awake and alert. The short walk gives a rest for the eyes and mind from staring at the screens, which is tiring. Third, listen to music. Play a song that makes you feel good or relaxes you. Music has enormous effects on our emotions and can reset your mood in a snap. Choose calming tunes if you want to relax, or upbeat music if you need energy. Fourth, stretch your body. You can do some easy stretching to release tension and enhance focus. Stretching of the arms, neck, and back can make you feel more relaxed and ready to go on with the rest of your day. Finally, close your eyes and practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes to just breathe or focus on the present moment. Release any worries or distractions and just be in the now. It refreshes your mind in an easy and efficient way within 5 minutes. Deep breathing, a 5-minute walk, listening to music, stretching, and practicing mindfulness are some of the many simple ways one can clear the head and feel more focused. Regular breaks at work increase productivity and mental well-being. How do I study at home with all the distractions? Studying at home can be very difficult due to the many distractions. Be it noise, the phone, or even family members, these put a dent in your ability to focus. However, with the right strategies, you can create an environment for effective study and stay on track. First, identify a quiet and comfortable study area. Look for some place in your apartment or house where you will be able to focus without distractions. Also, it should be cleaned, well lit, and with minimal clutter to help the brain also stay organized and less distracted. The second one is making a study schedule. Decide every day when and for how long you will study. A routine helps you stay disciplined and make studying a habit. Be sure to use a timer for following the schedule, including short breaks to rest your mind. You study, say, 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break according to the Pomodoro technique. Third, remove distractions. Put your phone on silent or give it to someone to hold on to in another room. If you use your phone to study, use apps that block social media and other sites that will distract you from studying. Let your family know your study times to reduce how often they interrupt you. Fourth, use more effective techniques for studying. Try breaking down your work into smaller tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. At one time, concentrate on only one subject or topic. To keep yourself engaged, try writing notes, summarizing, or making flashcards. Finally, stay motivated. Remind yourself of your goals and your reasons why studying is important to you. After completion of tasks, reward yourself with favorite snacks or short walks. The bottom line is that it is possible to study at home with distractions by choosing a quiet space, following a schedule, limiting interruptions, and helpful techniques. With practice and determination, you can set up a focused study environment and achieve your academic goals. What are the best habits in the night? The nocturnal habit can be very influential in determining how you are going to sleep and feel the next day. Good habits at night help you relax and sleep properly, and even wake up fresh the next morning. Here are some of the best nighttime habits. First of all, develop a sleep-promoting bedtime routine. Engaging in relaxing activities such as reading, meditation, or soft music may hint to your brain that it is time for sleep. Try to avoid stimulating activities or working on computer screens, because this can activate your brain and make falling asleep more difficult. Second, go to bed at the same time every night. Going to bed at consistent times was a very important part in helping me regulate my body's internal clock. This makes it easier to fall asleep quickly and wake up feeling rested. Try to keep your regular bedtime and wake-up time even on weekends. Third, make sure to establish a sleep-conducive environment, that is, the bedroom must be quiet, dark, and cool. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or the white noise machine if necessary. Comfortable mattresses and pillows will also be an important means toward better sleep quality. Fourthly, avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol before sleep. Eating too much or consuming stimulating drinks will get in the way of your sleep. Instead, a light snack or a cup of herbal tea will do if hungry. Last but not least, meditate about the day or plan for tomorrow. Journaling or making a to-do list could help your brain release stress by unloading some of it. This may help you feel more organized and ready for the next day. Calming routines, strict adherence to the sleep schedule, preparation of the environment, avoidance of heavy meals before bedtime, and, finally, reflection over one's day are all considered the best habits for nighttime. These habits will assure better sleep quality, a peaceful night, and, as a consequence, better health and productivity. What are the smart tips for self-studying? Self-studying is considered a powerhouse method of learning and reaching aims. It enables one to study at a pace comfortable for oneself and concentrate on interests. However, self-studying may get tiresome without using appropriate techniques. Here are some smart tips that will make self-studying both effective and enjoyable. Set clear goals first. Before you dive into your studies, define what you want to achieve. In example, if this is a language you are learning, such may be holding a basic conversation. Well-stated goals keep you motivated and allow you to chart your progress. Second, make a schedule. Plan specific times when you will study each day. Keeping to a routine helps you be disciplined and not procrastinate. Break down the study sessions into smaller pieces, like 25 or 30-minute intervals, and take small breaks in between to maintain focus. Third, choose the right resources. Use reliable books, online courses, videos, or apps that suit your learning style. Explore different formats to find what works best for you. High-quality resources save time and make learning more effective. Fourth, practice active learning. Rather than simply reading or watching, engage with the material. Take notes, solve problems, or teach someone else what you've learned. This helps you understand and remember the information better. Finally, organize yourself and keep a record of your progress. Keep your study area tidy, comfortable, and free of distractions. Use a notebook or an app to track what you have studied and what you still need to review. Seeing your progress will keep you motivated. The bottom line is, self-studying can be so rewarding if it's done the right way. Some of the smart tips for success involve setting clear goals, sticking to a schedule, choosing resources rightly, practicing actively, and being organized. You can learn anything you want and achieve your personal or academic goals by simply using these strategies. What can I do to love myself? Loving yourself is such an integral part of living a happy and fulfilling life. Loving yourself means liking yourself, taking good care of yourself, and being kind to yourself. Here are a few simple ways you can start loving yourself more. First, focus on your strengths, things everybody is good at, or has, that make them different. Spend some time thinking about your talents and accomplishments, but also the character traits that make you, you. Remind yourself of those things when you feel doubtful. Practice self-care. This is the way to love your body and mind. Eat healthy food, exercise regularly, and sleep adequately. Avail yourself of the opportunity to do things you like, read, paint, or just spend time in nature. When you practice self-care, you will feel much happier and confident. Third, go easy on yourself. Steer clear of self-criticism and negative thinking. The way you want to think about yourself is the way you would think about a friend, with understanding and encouragement. When you mess up, remind yourself that it's okay not to be perfect. Everyone makes mistakes, it's how we learn and grow. Fourth, set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that annihilate your well-being or suck too much of your energy. Surround yourself with people who respect and appreciate you. Healthy relationships will make you feel valued and appreciated. Lastly, celebrate your advances. Recognize the small and giant steps you make toward your objectives. Reward yourself when you try, even though that does not mean immediate success. Every effort put forth is a sign of growth and strength. In other words, self-love is the appreciation of self, taking good care of oneself, and being nice to oneself. Building a strengthened sense of self-love would require focusing on your strengths, practicing self-care, setting boundaries, and celebration of progress. It is a journey worth doing for a more happy and fulfilling life.